Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Bianca girls. I don't know whatever you guys may be seeing. I'm a little bit far from my phone because my phone is about to off and I really want to record it. I really want to record metelo in cameretta così giocate insieme. In cameretta lì. Okay, good evening guys. Hello everybody, and I think I need to shift this thing so that the light but it's fine. Let's manage it. Let me just sit down this way so that you guys can be seeing me. So today what I want to talk about is just trolls on internet trolls. Okay, queens and kings out there. In fact, let me leave the kings out of this very topic. My queens out there, be ready. Be ready, because there are many people that just want to steal your joy. Trolls, they want to steal your joy. They just want to lose your focus. They just want you to be doing things that you don't supposed to be doing in your channel. They want to bring you down. They want to, insult you and insult the people that love you, like your fans. Imagine you being on live stream. They'll be reacting angry head on people's comment. That is bad. These people are called trolls. They just want to distract you. They want to distract your fans so that they can't concentrate. They want to distract the people that love you. But I will say to them, whatever they wish to anyone that decides to come out there to do positive things, I wish them same thing. If you wish me good, I wish you good. I'm not a troll to anybody. Never in my life. I can never do such things because I have things to do. I have time to do things. Like this moment, this is just time to create. Immediately I'm done, I'm taking baby to bed. I'm taking baby to bed. It's just for me to remove my makeup, then take baby to bed. And that is just it. And that is just it. I don't have that time. And go out there to support all that people that also need my support as my fellow content creator. So people that are trying to be, even some people that are close to you, they are even a trust to you. Just to suck your joy. Some that they don't even know you. Just a little story or your past, they know. They will bring it to insult you. Let me tell you, that is my past. You can go and live there like me. I don't live in my past. No, this is my present. Like the present that I'm living in, I love it and I give thanks to God. You see the past, you can go there and stay in my past, live in the past, swimming in my past. That is my past, okay? You can go there, I leave it for you guys. All those trolls. I saw a lady today, she's a widow, a young widow. Oh my God. God, I feel like crying. I've pain. Just the way oh my God, what I'm going through this period. Oh God, I don't know how to express it. It's so painful. Some people will say, leave it, don't talk about it, leave it, don't talk about it. Just because you haven't experienced it. Once you experience it, you will know what I'm talking about. It's bad. Mostly when they come for you, when you did not come for them, you are just trying to be positive. Then you will know how it is. There are some people, they can't even take just only thumbs down. They can't take it. They can't take it, but I do have thousands of thumbs down. I don't care. Sorry for baby. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I was saying, guys, baby, it's not easy. So that is just it. There are many people that will just try to steal your joy. But all I want to say to my fellow content creator, my fellow queen out there, be strong when people like this, whenever they cross your path, whenever they cross your boundaries, whenever they come to you, just be strong with yourself. Be strong with yourself. Just be strong with yourself. Never break down. Whatever they say to you, don't let it get to you. Wave it up, chest it out to them. Like when I say chest it out, chest it to them, like back to sender. You take it and you sweep it back to them, because whatever they are saying, even if it's true, it's not true, or all are lies. That is the more painful part. All are those dirty lie that is coming from the pit of air. But you don't need to live in that their past. You don't need to even like meditate or think about it. Leave it. Do things that give you joy. Talk to people that are close to you. Share with people. Don't inside you. Don't keep things inside you. Once you try to keep things inside you, that is when you will be hurt. Speak out. Even if it's mean, if I do anything, come to me. Let's do it. Let's do it in a mature way. In a mature way. And that is it. There are many trolls out there that just want to kill your dream. Some will be insulting you just because of your English. And because of that, you are afraid of creating content. You will delete video, delete, and delete videos. That is not nice. It's not nice at all. It's not nice. Let people create their content. It's not everybody that have the opportunity to, to go to school the way they wish or the way they wanted to. It's not every one of us. The little education anyone have, you guys leave them alone. The only thing you can say, oh, my lady, I love the way you are doing your things. I will appreciate if you can, study more on English. I will love that. Not saying, get out. You can't even speak. You are saying, that is bad. There is a way you advise people, they will get it like in a full package. But when you add insult to it, your advice is just wasted. Your advice is wasted. You don't need to waste your energy to advise with insult. Advise in a cold manner, and that person will get it when she have it. Okay, guys, there are many trolls. Some trolls will come and tell you, oh, this highlighter is too much. It's my highlighter, but if it's not of your choice, you don't like things like this, fine and okay by you. Do the one that you love. That is why I do say this is my own taste of makeup. You can apply little, you can apply when you can make it more poppy. It's of your choice. If you wish to go more poppy, let it pop out. But if you don't want to pop it up, it's up to you. This is the way I love my makeup, and I believe everybody, they love their makeup in their whole ways. You see some people, they are like, oh, you don't know how to dress. It's a dressing. There's a way you would just like, oh, the way you put this color, you're supposed to have, this beige supposed to go with something, similar to it. That will make it nice and cute. The person will appreciate it. Oh, really? Next time we'll do that. And that is it. But once you say, oh, look at the way you dress like a village woman, or that person will be hungry. How you guys are? That person will be hungry. For real. So, guys, let me go and take care of baby. Milo. So, guys, I think I need to end this video right now so that I can go and, do my evening routine, take my bath, and, yeah, it's time to go to bed. So, this is just the little thing that I have in me concerning these truths. Guys, be ready, because I can see 2 videos already. Be ready when people like this, they come for you. When they come for you, my darling, be strong. Speak out. Don't keep anything. Don't keep it inside. Don't keep it inside. Speak out. When I say speak out, just speak out. Say it to somebody. Okay? Don't keep it to yourself. For those people that are close to me, that are going any page or anywhere to insult me, let me tell you. Yeah, this is your baby girl. 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 I just finished this makeup, and this makeup will be coming up soon. I got many things to do, positive things to do. Not those set of people, you guys that are watching my status. I can see those comments. I know any fake account that comments, I know the person that is down of it. They are always these old people that are watching me. At my age, still they get the turn out, they go, they insult this sexy girl. Get it to yourself. I'm so happy with myself. I love myself. Whatever you guys are saying, all you guys, una life, una story, I get all of them. By the time I blow, I'll go, they use Nate, they do packer. I got they use Nate, they do, rock, say they enter stage. You know that kind of thing. I got they use Nate, they chest out. As I chest una insult, go give una dirty people. All fake lovers. When I go get life. Because me, Bianca, I too get life. When I need more picture, why go they put for my status? Man, I forgot they use until they commit. I feel put on there. Some go clear, say they love you, they love you, they love you. Love kill you there. Who you love? Love yourself. Nonsense. Momo enter said they will not know yourself. At your age, you still they fool yourself concerning small baby girl with 13 years. You wait don't sharp many years. Add yourself. Might not use you to do big. If I una comment, I'll go screenshot all of them. I know anybody will say hi. I know they don't. Not today. We know each shots. I'm gonna use una to the chest. Why chest start? Hide yourself. They did some. Who me? You're using your boy. You okay, whatever you wish to me, I wish it to you and your assholes. Any insult you pass on me, specchio specchietto, capisci? So that is just it. It just, It's just you know, like mirror. Okay, whatever you are saying, mirror, 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 mirror. You are pointing one hand at me. The remaining fingers are coming to you, darling. Okay, when I point one hand at you, and the remaining one are coming to me. So that is just it. If I didn't come for you, cool down, baby. Do your things, but focus with yourself. Okay, that is what I try to be positive anytime, any day. You do know why? Because I can't take things which I know that if anybody do it to me, I will not appreciate it. You understand? So guys, that is just the little thing that I'll be bringing up. I need to go and take off my makeup because I have this makeup since morning, and this air, you know, like driving, and the thing will just press down. So guys, let me go and rest and take off my makeup, and that is just it. I believe you enjoyed this video. In case you didn't enjoy it, I didn't mean to, but at the same time, just for those people, those trolls on the internet, those trolls, those YouTube trolls, Facebook trolls, those social media network trolls, it's not nice. You guys are making people to be scared. You guys are making people to lose their focus. You guys are making them to lose their focus. But once they have that confidence, that is when you will see them like this. They are like, come over, come over, come over. They will be giving you direct. That is the spirit I'm putting on now. I'm wearing that spirit now. When you come to me, who give me positive, I appreciate you. Give me all that way, I send it back to you. You understand? Specchio, specchiet, specchio, specchiet, specchio, specchiet, specchio, specchiet. So that is it. Is your baby girl, Bianca Bellezza girls. Whatever they are saying, my education is okay. Yesterday I asked my husband, I was like, So guys, I will bring this video to an end now. I don't want to waste much of your time. It's your baby girl, Bianca Bellezza girls. Like, this is what I have inside of me. In case you are close to me and you are close to me, everything you are saying, darling, is my past. Even because I'm not interested, like going to read comment, going to no. Once I see any comment, I will just delete it. But if it's of other path, other side, they are insulting me, I don't want to go. I don't go to read. I don't go, no. Look no evil, see no evil, do no evil. That is my logo. I do no evil, I see no evil. I don't dwell with evil. So that is it. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for, you know, loving this baby girl over here. Okay. Much love, everybody. Okay. Sorry for the noise. Baby girl is here now. Bye guys. Mwah.